Hello there, my name is Victoria, and today I have just one mission, and that is to make you fall in love with this house that I'm about to show you. Now, this right here is a 5 bedroom, fully detached duplex. This is the first time I'm going to be seeing a house that has an in-house salon, and it also has a car charging system. It has a swimming pool, CCTV. The rooms are spacious. The kitchen is fully fitted with a refrigerator, washing machine, and literally everything you need to live comfortably. Now, this is in the market for 470 million naira. This price is slightly negotiable, but we'll get to talk about that when you give us a call. Tell us your offer, and we'll see if that's something we can work with. But be rest assured that we'll get you the best deal on this property when you give us a call. It is located right inside an estate here in Orchid Lekki, Lagos. And the amazing thing about the location is that it is close to the entrance of the estate, which means that it is accessible. You don't have to go all the way down here, down the estate. Their drainage system here is quite effective. In a couple of seconds, I will flip this camera. I'll give you a glimpse of what the neighborhood looks like, and then we'll move around this compound so you see the surroundings. Then I'll take you inside and we'll have a detailed tour. So ensure you watch this video till the end. Also, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. I am so delighted to grace your screen today. Please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our subsequent updates. And I really love you to be seeing more of me in your faces. Now let's flip this camera and head straight into the business of the day. Welcome home. So welcome back, beautiful people. Now this is the unit we will be inspecting. We just have 2 units, so it means that we have very limited units available. So if you love what you see, give us a call before it gets sold out. Let me just give you a 360 view of the neighborhood, so you get to see that it is fully habitable and quite developed. You see, it is also interlocked, and that makes it accessible. All right, so let's go in. All right, so I told you we're going to be moving around the compound first to see what the surrounding looks like before we go inside. So this is the size of the compound, and this can take up to 3 cars conveniently, and then you still have enough space to move around. Yes, 3 cars or possibly 4 cars if you're a good driver, and also depending on the size of the cars. So let's also see it from this angle. This is it right here. I also love the fact that we have artificial plants around the house, outside the house. It just, enhances the aesthetics of this house. And we also have security lights all the way around the house. Right here is where we have the charging ports, the car charging port for your electric vehicle. All right, so let's go this way, and then let's just move around the house first before we go inside. Here we have a CCTV camera. Okay, now the house doesn't appear as close as what you see on your screen. No, it is not this close. So you can be sure that it will be well ventilated and well illuminated. The walkway to the back of the house is spacious enough. I'm standing here and you still have all of the space. So you see, it is spacious enough. And then you can also access um, the living area from here. And to this angle is where we have the swimming pool right here. You can see it is not so small. This is it from this angle. Okay, now let's keep going. You see, we still have security lights at the back here. There's a CCTV camera right there. And then you have this for water already fixed for you. Now this right here is the big cube, and this is the size of the big cube. Now this big cube can fit in a student size bed, and over here is the toilet and bath for the big cube. All right. Okay, we have this over here, and you can also access the kitchen from here. Now the walkway at this angle is also spacious, and then even the spaces in between the house, it is more spacious at this side of the house than it is on the other side that we came in through. So we've moved around the house successfully. One of the things I like about this house is the finishing. The finishing here is neat. Yes, I've moved around this house and I can tell you that the finishing is quite neat. So kudos to the developer. They did a good job on this one. And I like the structure here. I like this design here. Okay, so let's go in now. This is the height of the door, and the door has a smart lock. So it is an automated home. So welcome home once again. All right, so we're in now and let's begin to explore. All right. So to this angle, we have the guest toilet right here. You see it is spacious enough. And then next is the guest room. Now, one of the things you should take note of in this house as we um, continue with this tour is the sizes of the rooms. You know, they really did not compromise on space in this house, and that's one thing that really stands out for me. And then over here is the toilet and bath for the guest room. Also, see it is spacious enough. Okay, we're done here, and then let's see the living area. So we have quite a number of windows here. And like I said earlier, this is a house that will be well ventilated and well illuminated. So this right here is the size of the living area from this angle. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you from different angles. And then it has inbuilt speaker here. I'm looking out for a CCTV camera. We have one here. Okay, beautiful. So let's see it from this angle as well. So this is it from here. And we have this double volume ceiling. I really love this chandelier. It's so beautiful. Okay, so we have this double volume ceiling, and then right under the staircase, we have this artificial plant, and there's still enough space under here, so you can even put more plants there. And then we have this, you can have your dining area just beside the kitchen. The staircase has a motion sensor light, as you can see, and here's the view from here. Okay, so next is the kitchen. You can access the swimming pool from here. There's okay, so you can access the swimming pool from here, like I showed you earlier. Let's go in. So from here, this is the size of the kitchen. Okay, let's begin to explore what we have here. We have a CCTV camera here. We have this kitchen chairs. We have a kitchen island with a burner on it, with an electric burner on it. And then over here we have this, okay, we have a pantry here first. So one of the things you be sure to get here is enough space to store your items, because we have a pantry, we have quite a number of cabinetries as well. So you won't have any issue with storage in this house. We have a double door refrigerator here, a tabletop gas burner that has up to 5 burners, an extractor right above it. We have this kitchen sink. We have a washing machine right here. We have this for your dishes. And then we have the microwave and also your oven. All right, so this is it with the kitchen now, 470 million naira, and this is all yours. And remember, I said that the price is slightly negotiable, but we get to talk about that when you give us the call, and you can be rest assured that we'll get you the best deal on this house. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what we have there. We're done with the ground floor. Now, for those who do not know where Orchid is right after Chevron. Yes, Chevron, second toll gate. The second toll gate right after it is where you get to Orchid. And Orchid is before Ikota, before VGC, before Aja. So if you don't want to get to Aja, you don't want to get to Ikota, VGC, Shongotedo, this is definitely a good place to settle in. Now, here's the view from here. You can have your portraits here. You know, your family portraits can be here. Okay, so we are up now. Before we take a look at the rooms, let's see the family lounge. This right here is the family lounge, and you see it is also spacious enough. Has this for your TV, and then there's an inbuilt speaker right above it, and this is the view from here. There's also a window just at the back of this curtain, and here's what the view here looks like. Now, right in this neighborhood, we have supermarkets. Orchid is both residential and commercial neighborhood, so it means that you have businesses here. We have good schools, we have restaurants, religious centers, according to your preferences. So what I'm saying in essence is the fact that you live conveniently when you buy this house. You have everything you need to live conveniently within your reach. Okay, so this is the second room. We've seen one room downstairs. This is the second room we're inspecting. It has an inbuilt speaker up there. Okay. Now this has a title of governor's consent and also has its building approval. You can see how um, big the wardrobe area is. This is not even the regular ones we see in the basic room. I mean, this house just ticks all of the boxes in terms of location, in terms of structure, in terms of design, just everything about it, space management, literally everything. Okay, this is room number two, like I said. So let's see room number three. Let's see room number three. Okay, so first off, we have the toilet and bath right here. Now, one of the things about this location, the location of this property that makes it also stand out for me is the fact that, aside the fact that the house, like I said at the beginning of this video, is close to the entrance of the estate, it is also close to the entrance of Orchid. I mean, you don't have to, you won't even get to the Orchid roundabout to locate this house. So that's how accessible it is. Okay, this is room number four right here. Room number four. Now, just in case this doesn't fit into what you want, if it's either above or below your budget, you can reach out to us. We also have other properties at different locations for different prices that you can also buy. We have land selling in developed estates that are also still coming up. So whichever one you want, if you want a house or you want to build, you can reach out to us. Okay, I told you it has an in-house salon. So this right here is your in-house salon. This is the first time I'm seeing a house with a salon. So we're giving you something different. You know, Lagos developers, they are beginning to go the extra. Okay. All right. Okay, we're done here. And then finally, let's see the master's bedroom and then we end this video. Now, if you've watched to this point, this is me saying a very big thank you for sticking around. Please do well to hit the subscribe button. Ensure you do not leave without subscribing. Right here is where we have the wardrobe area. I would have loved this wardrobe area to be actually bigger than this. Considering all I've seen in this house, I expected a bigger wardrobe area, but then again, this is what we have here. And then we have this mirror just beside it. Okay. Before I show you the master's bedroom, let's see the toilet and bath. It is right opposite the wardrobe area. Okay, this is quite a beautiful toilet and bath. I mean, I love the blend of colors here. It gives it this, cozy kind of feeling. Okay, so we have the bathtub to this angle. And then right here we have the walk-in shower. Okay, yeah. So the walk-in shower right here. And then next we have the floating toilet here. And then we have this double um, basin right here. So next is the to see the size of the master's bedroom. Okay, I think we'll get it better from this angle. So here's the full size of the master's bedroom. Here's the full size of it. It has inbuilt speaker right here and has this portrait. Just take a look at this design. Okay, and we have quite a number of windows here as well. And there's also a balcony here, so it will be well ventilated and well illuminated. All right, and here is the balcony. Okay, and then here is a better view of the neighborhood from here. So this is what we have here today: a 5 bedroom duplex with a BQ, um, a swimming pool, an in-house salon. What else? Fitted kitchen, and lots more, selling for 470 million naira with a title of governor's consent. Yes, has the title of governor's consent, 470 million naira, and this price is slightly negotiable. Give us a call today. Just 2 units available as of the moment I'm making this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. It has been such a pleasure gracing your screen. Till I come your way next time, my name is Victoria. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.